Another misconception about Montessori is that it doesn't encourage socialization because children are working on their own. It's individual work with a piece of material. But that's not true. They can take any of these materials and work together. They can collaborate on a project together. And supposing you do have a child in your classroom who's a little bit shy, who's a little bit introverted, you can pair them with somebody who's more outgoing, or a couple of children who are more outgoing, and tell them, hey, why don't you use these materials together and let's see how you build it. So in this way, you're helping them to get over that and make friends and to socialize and learn social skills along the way. Keep in mind, you do not have to force the shy child into socializing. We offer them the opportunity, but we are not going to insist that they have to do it. At the end of the day, it's their choice. If they want to work alone or they want to work together, but just show them that the possibilities are there. A lot of people have this misconception that Montessori does not encourage creativity. I cannot even begin to explain to you the ways that I have seen children use the sensorial material. I've been in this field for 20 years. Until today, I will see children build some kind of a structure combining these materials that I've never seen before, in a way that I couldn't even imagine that they would do. And when they do this, it's mind-blowing. It's so beautiful. Many teachers have this, this feeling that if I presented the tower to be built this way, that's the only way the material can be used. No way. How are we teaching children to be innovative or to think out of the box if we tell them there's only one way to build the pink tower? We've got to allow them to explore, to combine the materials, to create. They have so many ideas and they want to exercise, those the things that they have in their minds. They want to put it out there. But if we are not there, nurturing that and encouraging them to do that, it's not going to happen. If we're going to be that strict person that, no, you can't use the material this way, put it back and you can only use it the way I showed you. That's not true of Montessori. They can combine 2, 3, 4 materials, build structures that they have envisioned in their minds, as long as they are not being harmful to the material, the environment, or their friends, and they return the material the way they found it. Those are the things that we have to maintain, and they are able to use it the way they want. I've seen children build little structures with, maybe a fence, and they may take the animals from the culture and put them inside, and then they'll make the animals have conversations with each other. And some teachers feel that, no, how can they be doing that? They shouldn't be combining materials from different areas. It's fine, as long as they return it and they are being respectful with the material. It shouldn't be a problem at all.